The students of Science Shivam Public School, Kurji Digha Patna 11, and due to lockdown, online classes is going on per day. You have to do exercise in your copy and make practice. Today I am going to teach you math of standard 9. According to your textbook, you must collect textbook, because without textbook you cannot solve your math. Write a rational number. Write a rational number between rational numbers 1/9 and 2/9. In between both, it is said to find one rational number between them. For this, a rational number between 1/9 and 2/9, you have to just add it and multiply it by 2. Then you get a rational number between these two fractions. Like this, 1/9 plus 2/9. And all are divided by 2. You know, to solve these questions, you have to take LCM 9 divided 9 by 9 one time. 1 is multiplied by 1, we get 1. 9 is divided by 9, we get 1, and 1 is multiplied by 2, we get 2. 2 plus 1 is equal to 3 by 9 upon 2 by 1. 2 can be written as 2 by 1. So that this sign can be converted like this. Division is converted into multiplications. And a single rational number is 1 by 6. And this rational number is in between 1 by 9 and 2 by 9. This question has been asked in CBSE board 214. Another types of questions is given here. Find 6 rational numbers between 3 and 4. This question has been asked in CBSE 2010 and is also given in NCERT book. NCERT questions. So to solve these questions, here we make x is equal to 3, y is equal to 4, and how many rational number you have get, it is denoted by 9. The two numbers is indicated by x and y. First number is indicated by x, the second number is indicated by y, and how many rational numbers between it is denoted by n. Then after indications, these numbers, you put this number in a formula. For this type of numericals, you have to remember this formula y minus x upon n plus 1. Put the value of x, y, and the given value. Put the value of y 4 minus, put the value of x 3 divided by n. The value of n is 6 here plus 1. Then you get a new number 1/7. You have to get 6 rational number between 3 and 4. Start from 3 and end to 4. Between 3 and 4. Just remember it. From which it is started, taken as initial, and then this one is just put, get 6 rational number, first rational number, second rational number. In first rational number 3 plus 1/7, second 3 plus 2/7. 3 remains because you have to get rational numbers in between 3 and 4. Start from 3 and end at 4. Start from 3 and end at 4. So the starting number in all 6 rational number is 3, but the ending number 1/7, 2/7, 3/7, 4/7, 5/7, 6/7, because 6 rational number is said to calculate. 6 rational number is said to calculate. So you just design like this. For first rational number between 3 and 4, 3 plus 1/7. Second rational number 3 plus 2/7. Third 3 plus 3/7, 4. 3, 4/7. Fifth 3 plus 5/7, 6. 3 plus 6/7. You just get this value for first rational number, second, third, 4, 5. You know, 3 means 3/1 plus 2/7. You get LCM. You know, 1 is divided by 1, 7 is divided by 1, we get 7, and 7 is multiplied by 3, 21 plus 2. 7 is divided by 7, divided by 1, and 1 is multiplied by 2. In the same manner, we get these values 2/7, 3/7, 4/7, 5/7, 6/7. Initial number is same because it is said to find the rational numbers between 3 and 4. So we start 3 and change your rational number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so many. Then you get the value like this, 22/7. The next rational number between 3 and 4, 23/7, 24/7, 25/7, 26/7, 27/7, and these are the 6 rational number which are found between 3 and 4. Now we are going to make another type of questions that is given in your textbook. The question is, Write the following. In decimal form. We have to convert the following. A 36 divided by 100. B 22 divided by 1000. C 1 divided by 11. D 'F' and 'G'. Very simple questions. The first one is 36 divided by 100. If no, the division of 10, 100, thousands, 10,000 crore is very simple. For this, you put the number and how many zero. From how many zero is set to divide, we just count the number from right side towards left side. Here 2 zero are present, then we count number from right side 1, 2 and put decimal. Very simple. In second, 22 is set to divide by 1000. Then you must write 22 and put decimal after counting 1, 2, 3 numbers from left side, right side to left side. 1, 2, 3. 3 number is not present, so put 0 and then put decimal. This is for zero division. But if there is no zero, then you can divide like this. 1 is 11 is 1 is divided by 11. Put decimal to get 0. Another 0 for another 0. Then multiply how many numbers to get like 9. Multiply 9. Hence, answer is approximately 0.09. Students, you can solve these types of another questions by division methods and convert it into decimals, 2 numbers after decimal or 3 number after decimals. So it is given for your homework purpose. You have to try to solve these questions, and for your information. The all study material is also provided on your Facebook page of Shivam Classes Patna 11 Patna or Science Shivam Public School Patna, and video classes is available on Bimal Narayan Arya site. Thank you.